Hi, if you want to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat, I guarantee this video can help you. This tutorial can work for Android phones as well as iPhones. Before heading to the tutorial, make sure your Snapchat application is on the latest version. Okay, just go straight to Snapchat. In the initial Snapchat screen, click the profile photo logo in the upper left corner. Click the Settings button. Click Bitmoji. There are many things you can do in this setting. You can change your avatar starting from the appearance and outfit. But if you want to delete it, then click on Link Bitmoji from Snapchat. After that, click on Link. You have now successfully deleted your Bitmoji. If you want to create it again, you can click the Create Avatar button. If this tutorial didn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button.